What's up, my guys? How's everybody doing? I'm back at you with another locked update. As you can see, I'm in the middle of probably the freshest moment of my life. I got the 2-strand twist right now. First lock style that I'm actually really impressed with. I'm really happy about the result of it. You know. Yeah, so 14 months in. It'd actually be 14 months, I think, in 2 weeks, but I'm just gonna count this as the 14-month video. We are coming along. Everything is maturing just fine. Everything is looking the way that I expected it to, and we feeling good about ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Everything, we taking care of our mental and our emotional and our physical health. And the hair is a direct representation of that. So hopefully, you have gotten started if you haven't already, or you thinking about it. Just do the damn thing. Let me go ahead and give you guys all the reviews real quick. This is the first time y'all probably really ever got to see my parts in detail. Cause I'm not good at remembering everything that I need to do when I make these videos. I kind of just go on the fly, on how I feel. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about when I get on here. My bad, phone cut off. I don't know where I left off at, but probably around like the 11th or 12th month time frame. I was noticing, because I was in Europe at the time, and the air there I feel like was a little bit dry. I noticed that my hair started to flake a lot, and it got trapped in my locks, and I think I got rid of all of it, just washing and stuff like that. But that's one of the things I noticed, and it was really itchy around that time, and I didn't know what it was. But I think that the dry air was the reason. The climate change was the reason for my hair itching so much. Yeah. Other than that, my hair is growing very slow. Yeah. So I don't think about that no more. One day it'll just be at my shoulders. Yeah. No further update. It's good to be back on camera. Be good to, engage. I've been noticing some engagement, which means that a lot of you guys are enjoying some of the content that I post. So it's pretty cool. And I'm seeing that a lot of you guys are starting or have started your lock journey. And I feel like a lot more people should start their lock journey for real, because, man, people are beautiful in their natural essence. It's just I look at people who wear natural hair as a symbol of respect, because it takes a certain amount of respect in order to break down the walls of everything that you learned about yourself being inappropriate, by having nappy hair when you go out, or just looking like a person that's not presentable. Like, all of those things are lies, and to see somebody break those norms and to be comfortable in their own identity is so appealing. It's so appealing, and I see so many people starting their journeys, and it's such a beautiful sight to see. So if you haven't started, start, please. If not for yourself, for me at least. And I send my energy and my good luck to you on your journey, But yeah, we in this together. And if you guys have any questions, give them to me. and I will gladly address them in the comments. I don't have anything else to say, but it's been real, you know? Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make a part 2 to this video. So be on the lookout for that. And I'm gonna be wearing the same stuff, so that means that I filmed this on the same day. So don't call me, don't think I'm homeless. Don't think I'm, you know, that I don't like to change my clothes, all right? That's not the case. It's 2 videos one day, and I might post them a little bit later, depending on how I feel. Like, I might not post them all at once. But yeah, peace as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck to you. Bye.